Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Proud to be Indian. In this video, I will provide you the complete detail about the top 15 GFTI's cutoff rank. Okay, so I will give you the cutoff rank for the CSC, IT, EC branch and for all category. If you are either belong to general, EWS, OBC, SC, ST, so भाई कोई भी category से आप belong करते हैं, then I will provide you complete cutoff ranks of these top 15 GFTIs. And this video gonna very important for you. Okay, so first of all guys, if you are new viewer to my channel, don't forget to support my channel for such important video, because I will provide these type of things too, besides the college review and all things, extra things I will provide in this. So let us move to our video without wasting our time. So I have said that I will talk the cutoff rank for the top 10 GFTIs. Okay, and what is the cutoff? Okay, for the general, EWS, OBC, SC, ST. So our the first college is the JNU Delhi. That is the very important GFTIs, and this is the cutoff for all the institute. That is the means all the categories. For the general 97.7, CSC, EC 96.5, OBC 96.3, EC 95.9, SC 85.2, EC 78, ST 83.8, and EC 71, EWS 97.8, and EC 97.5. So if you have in this range, if you have rank in this range, if you have marks in this range, then you can easily get into this GFTIs. Okay, moving to next very important GFTI, that is the BIT Misra. You know that BIT Misra, a great and profound institute, especially for the Jharkhand and the Ranchi, and it have a lot of great campus. Okay, more than 200 acre campus. So you can understand that means area wise and almost all facility provided in BIT Misra. So what is the cutoff for this? For CSC 98.6, I am talking about the general. Okay, for CSC 98.6, IT 98.3, EC 97.3, for SC 83.21, IT 81.2, EC 78.8, ST CSC 88.2, IT 83.3, EC 79.5. EWS का भी बात करें तो 98.3, CSC, IT 98.2 and EC 96.2. So if you have a in this range, then you can easily get into this BIT Misra. Okay, and you can add or subtract some nominal. Okay, but this is the cutoff for all this. Okay, moving to our next, and that is the third GFTI, that is the Central University of Rajasthan, and it was a very important university that was established under Central University Act. Okay, 2009. So what is the cutoff of this? For the CSC general 95.7, IT 95.1, OBC 95, IT 94.8, SC 73.7, IT 72, ST 75 and IT 73.2, EWS 96 and IT 95.8. So you have if you have this cutoff range, then you can easily get into Central University of Rajasthan and very important GFTIs all over the India. Moving to next, that is the very important, and that is the IIT RM. Okay, so IIT RM Ahmedabad, and again great and marvelous institute, having the all facilities and great campus. So what about the cutoff range? Okay, so cutoff for the general, okay, 93 ME. For the means I am talking about the ME, general cutoff is 93, CE 92.6, EE 93.8, OBC 91.4, CE 91 and EE 92. Okay, SC 70.5, CE 70.8, EE 71.3, ST के लिए वही ME 71, CE 74.5, EE 71.5, EWS ME 93, CE 92.5, EE 93.2. Okay, so if you have this cutoff range, then you can easily get into this popular college. Okay, moving to our next, that is the sixth. So what about that? So this is the JK Institute of Applied Physics and Technical, and that is important and various, you can say, the profound college in the all over the UP. That is the JK Institute of Applied Physics and Technical, Allahabad. Okay, so for the CSC general cutoff range is 94.6, EC 93.3, OBC 92.9 and EC 91.8. SC के लिए वही है 73.5, EC 72.8, ST 74, EE 72, EWS 93.4, 92 and EC 92.8. Okay, this year there may be some certain changes, but almost cutoff will be in this range. Okay, so moving to our next very important institute, that is the St. Lonwal Institute of Technology. Okay, and again very important engineering and technology college. Okay, so what is the cutoff for this? For general, if you want to take CSC, then you must be under 93.2, EC 92.7, OBC 92.5 percentile, EC 91.5, SC 54.5, EC 51, ST 72.5, EC 71. EWS के लिए भाई 93.5. So a great competition for the EWS and general. Okay, as usual, EC 92.5. So if you have in this range, then you can easily get into these important GFTI. Moving to our next very important GFTI, that is the University of Hyderabad. Why this is a great and profound, or you can say that in excellence in all our things. It have a great research parameters and extracurricular facilities, all things provided by this. So what about the cutoff for the general? CSC 97.8, OBC 96.6, SC 82.6, ST 83.8, EWS 96.9. So if you are in this cutoff range, you can easily get into the University of Hyderabad. So guys, if you liking the video, then don't forget to hit the like button. I am moving to next important college, that is the PEC Chandigarh. So you know very well about the Chandigarh, various institute present in the Chandigarh, okay, such as the LPU. So I have already made the detailed review of the LPU college. So that is also means private, but I am talking about GFTI. So what about the GFTI? PEC Chandigarh, important and very important college, okay. So what is the cutoff range for the CSC general? 99 and EC 98.1. So there is a tough competition for the general. SC 92.5, EC 83.8, ST 87.6 and EC 81.9. Talking about the EWS, that is the economic bigger section. So for CSC, if you have a cutoff range between 91.1, okay, and for the EC 98.8. So again tough competition for the general and EWS for the PEC Chandigarh. Okay भाई, तो मूव करते हैं अपना नेक्स्ट important college, that is the Institute of Tech Bilaspur. Okay, so this is again important GFTIs. And for the CSC general, cutoff range start for 93, EC 91.6, IT 92.2, OBC 91.6, EC 91.1, IT 91, SC 71.5, and for the EC 69.8, IT 70.3. Again talking for the EWS candidates, so if you want to take the CSC, then you have to be 92.8, EC 91.2 and IT is 92.1. So this is again the cutoff for the important GFTI, that is the Institute of Tech Bilaspur. Moving to our next very important and a great, that is the School of Engineering Tezpur. So School of Engineering University, that is in Tezpur, great and profound college, okay. So what about the cutoff of this? So for the CSC, if you are a general candidate, then you must be under the 93.6, EC 92.3, OBC 92.2, EC 91, okay, means for the OBC, CSC 92.2, EC 91, SC, for the SC candidates, if you want to take CSC, then you must be 74.1 and EC 70.6. Moving to the CSC, ST 83.7, EC 74.8, EWS 93.1, EC 92.1. okay, so if you have this cutoff range, then you can easily get into the School of Engineering Tezpur University. Moving to our next again important, that is the Mizoram University, and that is situated in Aizawl. So it have a main significance of this college, very a great location, okay. So you will enjoy a good cultural life, or you can say the environmental wise very wonderful place, though it is a you can say that outside of a particular not much more good location, but they provide all the facilities, all things in the Aizawl and important. So what is the cutoff range for the CSC general? 94 and EC 90.8, IT 91.8, SC 70.7, for the CSC EC 68.7, IT 69.7, ST 70, EC 69.5 and IT 70.2. For the EWS, you must be under 93.1 and EC 90.9, IT is 91.8. So if you have this cutoff range, then you can easily get into the Mizoram University Aizawl. Again, why I am saying that a great and profound college all over the India, especially for the purpose of the, you can say, the environmental and the all purity you will get into this. So if you have a chance in getting in this type of college, then obviously you should choose this, though little bit farther. So moving to our next very important college, that is the HNB Garhwal University, Srinagar. So it is actually situated in the Jammu Kashmir, Srinagar. So what about the cutoff for this? For general CSC, okay, so CSC E means it is actually not much more OBC, okay, and for the IT 94.5 and EC 94.6, okay, then that is the general. For the OBC 96 and the IT 93.9, EC 93.4, SC candidates 94 and CSC, okay, for the IT 72.4 and EC 71. For the EWS, for the CSC, you must have a 75 percentile, okay, and these are the means actually data is not much more percent, so I won't put that there. So this is all about the HNB Garhwal University, Srinagar. Moving to our next very important, that is the Assam University, and again this is a profound and well furnished and all things means good facilities and faculties member, all things fine in this college. So what about the cutoff of these? For CSC, if you are in the home state, so it's for the general 87, OBC 72 or 50.5, SC 56.8, ST 70.5, EWS 81.5, and for the outer state you must be under 94.5, means little bit higher, and for OBC 93, SC 77, EWS 93.8. So this is for the home state and outer state. Talking for the EC home state, so 77.2, 62.1, and this may vary to 50, 61.6 for the ST candidate, and EWS 75. So you must be in this range, okay. And moving for the outer state EC, so what is the cutoff for the outer state EC? So for the general 93.8, OBC 92.2, SC 74.2, ST 51.5, and EWS 93. So if you have this type of range, then you can easily get into this university, that is very important, Assam University. So why again top GFTI. Moving to our next important, that is the IIFFT Tamil Nadu. So again a profound college in the Tamil Nadu. So what about the cutoff? For the general 89.4, OBC 88, EWS 89.2, SC 68.9, and ST 69.5. Okay, so that is all about the IIFFT Tamil Nadu. Moving to last, and means I think second last, that is the National Institute of Foundry and Forer Tech, that is situated in Hatia. Okay, so it was actually established in 1966, and again a great achievement for the Jharkhand, and that is situated in the Ranchi. So what about the cutoff? For the ME general 92, MME 90.9, OBC 89.6, and for the MME 88.8, SC 68.4, and 66.6. For the EWS you must be 91.2 and 90.1. okay, so sorry I missed the ST candidate. So for the ST candidate, for the ME you must have be 71.2 and MME 71. So this is all about the National Institute of Foundry and Forer Tech, Hatia, again important and marvelous college. So guys, this is all the top 15 GFTIs I have covered. Okay, so I think that this will really helpful for you in deciding the further important college. Okay, and this will really helpful, and this will be the overall cutoff. So I hope this video will like you, okay, and you are get the sufficient information about all these college. So if you like the video, then don't forget to hit the like button so other students must get benefited from it, and don't forget to share with your friends so they can also get benefited. So फिलहाल इस वीडियो में इतना ही था. Till then, bye bye, meet you in the next video. जय हिंद.